Senator Nwaebonyi,
thank you.
I keep hearing you say that a lot of people, I mean, the people of Southeast want President Tinubu. Can you show me the data, empirical data of a research and a study done of the people of the Southeast and how they have overwhelmingly endorsed President Tinubu? I want data. I don't want one senator say, one politician say this. I don't want anecdotes. I want data. That's number one. Number two, in all of this industrial number two, let me ask it now, Senator Nwaebonyi, calm down, please. Number two, please tell me why we have not seen a lot in terms of standard gauge rail in the Southeast. There are some narrow gauge that are currently being rehabilitated, but standard gauge rail in the Southwest, we have standard gauge rail. At other parts, we have standard gauge rail. But in the Southeast, standard gauge rail. Why have we not seen a lot? And the road that you said they've completed lane 1, when are they going to complete lane 2? That road from Enugu you were talking about. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you, Rufai. If you want me to answer your question very well, you help me by flowing my speed. So if you can repeat your question one by one, then I can answer you.
You have
if you love questions.
Okay, you have biro there. You have biro there. I thought you were.
If you ask
number 1, let me repeat for you. You have pen there. Just write it. Number 1, show empirical data of overwhelming endorsement of President Tinubu in the Southeast. Empirical data. Underline that word.
Good.
Number 2.
Good.
Why no big impact on standard rail gauge or standard gauge rail in the Southeast as with other regions? Number 3. Why one lane of Enugu Road completed, the other one not completed?
Okay.
3. Yeah. That's the question.
Okay, thank you.
Please write it down.
Let me start with the first one.
For me to mark. I have to assess.
I've written it down. I'm going to transmit.
Yes. Please send to me for proper assessment.
E-transmission.
Yes. Now, let me give you fish. Let me give you fish because I'm from the riverside. I'm a politician, and I'm following very well political development in Southeast. Now, even though INEC have not given us go-ahead to start campaign, but if you go to Southeast, you can see what the City Boy movement is doing. You can see the acceptability of this NGO, before even the main campaign. And I'm telling you, if you come to Ebonyi State, where I come from, where people are seeing all this infrastructure development, where people are seeing the presence of the federal government in Ebonyi State, I can tell you that 95% votes of people of Ebonyi State will go for APC because of what Tinubu has done. Which data are you talking about? The election will tell you. The election will tell you. I can't tell you that we are going to get 500,000 votes. I can't tell you we are going to get, but things speak for itself.
Okay, you don't have
Facts
data.
speak for itself.
Go ahead. You don't answer the second one. Since you don't have data on the first one.
What type of data?
You don't have empirical
I'm giving you 95%. It's not a data. It's not a data.
Okay.
I'm giving you 95% of the electorate.
Oh yeah, go with the other one. You don't have data
from Ebonyi.
Just go ahead with your. You don't have data.
I said 95%. I've given
based
you
on
95%.
what source?
What type of data do you want?
Based on what source? What's the source?
Based on my person, based on my party, based on my APC, based on my party assessment.
Okay, party assessment. Go ahead. Yeah, next question.
Based on my assessment as a person.
Go ahead.
Based on assessment of my party, 95% of votes of Ebonians will go for APC because of what Tinubu have done. Now, you talk of rail line. You will agree with me. You agree with me. Just late last year, President Tinubu approved for the reconstruction of Port Harcourt-Maiduguri rail line. Is there in the budget? I expect you to quote the amount, in that budget, if you have your own data. And I expect you to ask me, when is this project commencing?
Mr. Nwaebonyi, I asked,
because the project is in the budget.
Mr. Nwaebonyi, I asked standard rail gauge. That's the question. Do you understand what standard gauge gauge is? Right. I'm not saying there's no narrow gauge that is being done. I'm saying standard gauge. When will standard gauge be done?
Have you seen the design? Have you seen the design of what the president is going to do from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri? Right. Have you seen the design to know whether let me come. You should as a journalist make your investigation, because your question would have been, why is the design so? When is it commencing?
Hang on a minute.
Not whether it coming. It's coming.
Senator Nwaebonyi, I said in other regions you have standard gauge. In the southwest, Lagos Ibadan standard gauge. Other region. The question is, why does the southeast not have standard gauge rail as we speak today?
Has all the other C zone have standard gauge?
Okay, all right.
Has all the C zone have standard gauge? Fine, I'm asking you, including your own zone. No, including your zone.
Okay, Senator.
Including your zone and the Abati.
Senator.
What is your own?
Senator.
My own is Lagos Ibadan.